welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Shikha Singh. VanEck is making its move towards a Binance coin ETF in the US. The firm just registered a trust entity in Delaware for the VanEck BNB ETF, an essential first step before it officially takes things to the SEC. This filing made on March 31st positions BNB alongside Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche, the cryptocurrencies for which VanEck has initiated standalone ETF registrations in Delaware. BNB-related products like the 21 shares Binance BNB ETP have been available in global markets, but a US-based BNB ETF has yet to exist until now. BlackRock, the $10 trillion asset management giant, just got the FCA's approval to operate as a crypto asset firm in the UK. This puts it in the same league as Coinbase, PayPal, and Revolut in the country's regulated crypto market. Now that it's registered, BlackRock can run its European Bitcoin exchange-traded product under a UK entity, further expanding into crypto. But the FCA isn't making things simple. It's been tightening regulations and turning away firms that don't meet its strict standards. BlackRock, however, made the cut. BlackRock's successful registration highlights its commitment to following regulations and meeting the authorities' high standards. Circle, the company behind USDC, has officially filed for an IPO aiming to list on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol CRCL. The company is targeting a valuation of up to $5 billion, with JP Morgan Chase and Citigroup acting as lead underwriters. This is Circle's second attempt to go public after the firm failed to merge with a special purpose acquisition company in 2022 due to regulatory issues. The revenue of Circle in the year 2024 was $1.68 billion, which is higher than the previous years. Its net income, however, was $156 million, a decline from $268 million in the prior year, which is 2023. The US Securities and Exchange Commission and crypto exchange Gemini have requested a pause in the ongoing legal battle over Gemini's Earn program. In a letter sent on April 1st to Judge Edgardo Ramos of the New York Federal Court, the SEC and Genesis Global Capital involved in the case asked for a 60-day hold on the proceedings. The SEC first sued Gemini and Genesis in January 2023 for selling securities without registering them through the Gemini Earn program. However, the case against Gemini is still pending, while Genesis paid the charges in full in the amount of $21 million in March 2024. Franklin Templeton, a global asset manager with $1.5 trillion in assets under management, is exploring the launch of a Bitcoin ETP in Europe. As institutional interest in digital asset rises, prominent financial institutions are increasingly venturing into the crypto sector. A Bitcoin ETP would offer investors a regulated, accessible way to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning it. If approved, this move could bolster Bitcoin's integration into traditional finance and attract more institutional capital to the market. Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group, the parent company of Japan's second largest bank, SMBC, is entering the stablecoin market. The bank is partnering with Ava Labs for blockchain infrastructure and Fireblocks for token management. Testing is expected to begin in the second half of 2025, with a possible launch as early as the following year. This move highlights the increasing institutional interest in digital assets and could drive broader stablecoin adoption in Japan. Elon Musk's social media platform X has filed an amicus curiae brief with the US Supreme Court, urging it to prevent law enforcement from forcing companies like Coinbase to hand over user financial data without a warrant. X Corporation is challenging the IRS's use of suspicion-less subpoena to obtain 3 years of transaction records from Coinbase, affecting over 14,000 customers, including petitioner James Harper. X argues that this violates privacy rights and Harper's Fourth Amendment protections. In 2023, a federal court ruled that the IRS acted within its authority in accessing the data. The Supreme Court has requested a response from the federal government. In 2025, only 11% of tokens listed on Binance posted positive returns, signaling a decline in the platform's ability to deliver profitable opportunities for investors. Of the 27 tokens listed this year, only 3, Form, Red, and Layer, saw positive returns, while the rest faced steep losses averaging 44%. This trend raises concerns about the quality of tokens being listed, with some analysts warning that Binance's growing list of low-quality tokens could damage the overall perception of the crypto market. Data also shows that tokens listed in 2024 performed poorly, with losses ranging from 23% to over 95%. Despite these challenges, Binance's former CEO Changpeng Zhao argued that a token's development, not its listing, ultimately determines its price. South Korea's 7-Eleven stores will accept payments in the country's central bank digital currency from April 1st to June 30th as part of a CBDC test. During this period, customers using CBDC will receive a 10% discount. The test, involving 100,000 participants, is part of South Korea's efforts to explore digital currency options and enhance its digital transformation. The CBDC pegged to the Korean won can be used for transactions at various participating retailers, including coffee shops and supermarkets. The CBDC pegged to the Korean won can be used for transactions at various participating retailers, including coffee shops and supermarkets. The test is a step towards developing a future monetary system with a total conversion limit of 5 million won, which is $3,416 per participant. Sony Electronics Singapore has partnered with Crypto.com to allow customers to make purchases using cryptocurrencies starting with USDC. This integration makes Sony the first consumer electronics brand in Singapore to accept direct crypto payments through Crypto.com Pay. This move aims to make crypto payments more mainstream and provide a seamless checkout experience for users. While USDC is the initial cryptocurrency supported, Sony plans to expand to other digital assets in the future. This partnership reflects growing interest in crypto payments among tech-savvy consumers. Well, that's all in today's special segment. We will keep you updated with more such interesting updates. Until then, keep watching 3.0 TV. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do log on to the website www.3versetv.io. Scan the QR code to know more.